Rice millers in Punjab are troubled because much of the paddy bought this Kharif season has arrived damaged or discolored. The damage is more than the allowed limit of 5%, making milling difficult. After the government allowed 1.5 million tons of sugar exports for the 25-26 season, trading activity increased sharply. Export deals for over 1 lakh tons have already been made and most shipments will be sent by mid-January. A team from Hiroshima University led by Professor Osamu Yoshida visited Himachal Pradesh to learn about natural farming and farmers' welfare under the Rajiv Gandhi Prakritik Kheti Khushhal Kisan Yojana. Government data shows that India's smartphone exports to the United States grew more than 3 times in October, reaching $1.47 billion compared to $0.46 billion last year. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal said that although India's export fell by about 12% in October, they showed strong and healthy growth in November. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that natural farming can help solve major farming problems like falling soil fertility, lack of moisture, high costs, and long-term sustainability challenges. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu repeated his promise to make farming sustainable and profitable. He educated a 5-point action plan to educate farmers, encourage scientific farming, and ensure long-term welfare for farming families. Fruits from Nepal will now be transported to Kozhikode for quality testing before they are exported to other countries. This follows an MOU signed between the Pokhara Chamber of Commerce Nepal and the Kerala Exporters Forum. Kashmir saffron farmers are concerned because there has been no major rainfall since October. Experts warned that if dry weather continues through December, saffron production may drop even more, causing heavy losses for farmers. Surachita Agro Producer Company Limited from Solapur, Maharashtra has sent its first 20-ton banana export shipment to Dubai with support from Pure Planet India Private Limited. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Commodity Today for your daily dose of agri-market news. Until then, stay productive, stay informed and have a great day ahead. Thank you.